If you're a freelancer or you're working on a creative project trying to finish a book, it will really help you to master the art of self-discipline. So in this video, I want to explore an easier way to be disciplined on a daily basis.
Through the wind, I give in. I'm storming, breaking like the tide.
An easier way to be disciplined comes from two practices. The first is to dissolve the resistance. That way, discipline becomes as simple as showing up, arriving at the bus stop, ready for the ride to wherever you want to go. The second is to build trust in yourself. Start small. Set easy, manageable goals that you can hit each day. I've been doing a new practice inspired by Aaron Alexander's work, which he writes about in his book, The Align Method. And here is a practice that for me hits both of those areas of dissolving resistance and building trust. This practice is to simply hang for 5 minutes a day. I love bite-sized techniques like this. I can rely on them if I sense my mind beginning to resist getting down to work. And I can then stop and I can get up from my desk and the task at hand. This to me is a lovely discipline where it's not always about getting down to work, but rather the discipline of not allowing yourself to act out for longer than absolutely necessary. The more time we spend in a state of resistance, not feeling it, thinking we can't get in the zone, the more we're actually practicing that state of mind. And then discipline turns into this herculean act where you have to uproot a tree to get going. Stop, see, witness. Observe your mind first. Let any resistance fade before you get to work. When I hang like this for 5 minutes a day, engaging my core, lifting my legs, pointing my toes, I'm revealing to myself how much I can trust myself to do what's right for me and to do the work, to show up as a creative professional. And the irony is that this work, this discipline, it makes things easier for me. So for those of you out there needing to show up each day for your projects, dissolve the resistance first. Then you don't have to uproot that tree to get to work because there's nothing to uproot. You can simply swing from your creativity, let it flow and write, no matter what. So I confess, here I am sitting in this forest writing for my 10 minutes to do this prompt, and I found it really, really challenging. My mind was super judgmental today. So I was actually using this word discipline to really keep me engaged and to really keep me focused and get me through this writing prompt. So I'm feeling good on two levels. I'm feeling good to be out here making this video, and I'm also feeling really good that I'm proving to myself that I can keep overcoming the obstacles in my mind, my own self-judgment, and get the work done.